Good morning. It is the last day at our campsite. I'm actually going to pack up today. The hardest part is actually putting the bat wing away. So that'll be the hardest thing to do to get ready to rock and roll, to go play some pickleball. We have a friend over at Lakeside that Rachel and I are going to play pickleball with. So we're going to go do that and then pack up and then head up to Michigan. Getting that thing packed away always takes some effort. It took me about 20 minutes though. I think that might be my new record. Well, this is Gladys's first visit to Lakeside. Gladys, you're gonna love it. Biking and vlogging takes me back to the days of being in Ireland. I'm not as good of a biker anymore. I used to be able to just like vlog, ride my bike no hands in all that traffic. I gotta start practicing again. Time for pickleball. Are these some of the most beautiful pickleball courts in the world? Possibly. We're just knocking out a little bit of hotel laundry before we head out. We are officially en route to Michigan. We do have to stop to get gas and to get some dairy-free items, including ice to put in our cooler, and then we'll be like legitimately good to go. Try to make it up there before it gets too dark and too late, so we can hang out by the lake. And what I want to do, I want to read my book, boys. Oh, hello.
Here are your keys.
Thank you. What did we just do?
Filled up gas.
We just got some gas.
Filled up gas. Got some gas. Filled up on gas.
Yo! Oh, well.
Did you want this open?
You gonna ski tomorrow?
You're not taking my child.
If you do.
Oh yeah.
Run!
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
So we're having a discussion of our children's names right now. We know we want to name one of them Murphy. I think like a girl with the name Murphy would be pretty cute. But now there is a family name from my mom's side of the family. Ellsworth. I think that would be an awesome name. Ellsworth, stop playing with the cutlery. Ellsworth, what a guy.
Ellsworth.
That's just a jolly name. And if you can't tell, like my family has English heritage. I would guess that comes from like some type of English name that was passed down. We're gonna use it. Ellsworth coming soon.
Anywhere.
Oh yeah. Who's the euchre champions?
We are.
Us. Look at that. We made it up to the lake, got to hang out for a bit, and then a full day tomorrow with some water skiing. We will see you then. Oh gosh.
Because you lost one of your legs.
My poor tripod, it lost a tentacle.
Oh no.
Alright, we'll see you tomorrow. Peace.